Hi folks, Attorney Jeff Goldtrap from Nashville. Not in my office today, not in my official lawyer suit. Just out here in the great outdoors visiting beautiful Tennessee. And I want you to get out too. Get out with your family if at all possible. Some of you do not live with your family. Some of you all live in separate households. Maybe mom lives in one place, dad lives in another. And one of those, occasionally both of those, people will have to pay child support. What happens if I don't pay child support? If you don't pay child support, you can find yourself in criminal contempt. Now, criminal contempt is not one of those charges like the police are going to knock down your door and search your house for criminal contempt. No. Criminal contempt is when there is an order to do something. Maybe you got a divorce and a judge said, I'm going to let you be divorced, and in a final order, final decree of divorce, you're ordered to pay $400 a month of child support. Well, that goes along good for a year, 2 years, 3 years. You lose your job, the house burns out, whatever, something happens, and you can't pay your child support anymore. Then you get something in the mail called a petition for criminal contempt. A judge is going to have to find out, or is going to be asked by the other side to find out that there was a valid court order. So that's the first thing. 2, that you have not obeyed the court order. Well, Jeff, I always try to take care of my kids. Okay, the court order wasn't try to take care of your kids. Jeff, I always went to their ball games. Wasn't part of the court order. I always did anytime she asked me for something, I gave it to her. That's not part of the court order. Pay your child support, pay $400 a month was the court order. Did you do it? It's a yes or a no. 3rd, I had the ability to. There's the rub. Sometimes there is a valid court order that you have to obey, but you can't obey it because something happened. Now, something happened isn't I found a prettier girl. Something happened is not I saw that new car and I just, I really needed a red Corvette for the office. It was what I needed for the office, Judge. It was just a business expense. No. Sometimes there might be a valid defense, a good reason that you got behind in your child support. And you can say, Judge, I am not in criminal contempt. Sometimes there's not much of a reason, and you have to say, please, Judge, don't put me in jail. So your question becomes, hey, Jeff, I really can't go to jail for not paying my child support, can I? Wrong. You can go to jail for 10 days for each time that you failed to obey the court order. Blah, 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 blah. What's that mean, Jeff? It means this. I was supposed to pay $400 a month. I missed the months of June, July, and August because the fish were biting and I had more fun things to do than pay my child support. So, well, dang it, Jeff, I'll go to school, I'll go to court, I'll go to jail, if I can say this. I'll go to jail 10 days. Okay, I'll just do it. No, you'll go to jail 10 days for June, 10 days for July, 10 days for August. 30 days? I can't do 30 days. Yes, you can. It is physically possible for you to do 30 days. But Jeff, I'll lose my job. That's unfortunate. So this is a terrible situation that I can't get out of, and I'm just going to lose everything. No. You're going to call a good lawyer. I would suggest that you call the office of Jeff Goldtrap, 615-254-1471. If you don't call me, then you call somebody. If you're looking at this video and you're in Knoxville, Memphis, Jackson, Chattanooga, somewhere that I don't usually go, call my office. Let me see if I can help you find somebody in your neighborhood. Go to the public defender's office. Go to legal aid. Go somewhere. Get yourself an attorney. Don't go to court and try to explain to a judge why he shouldn't send you to jail. That's criminal contempt. Folks, if I can help you, you just call me. Have a good day.